As per the indicated amount of coal which has been assessed here based on the complaint, which is indicated at 1,41,000 metric ton, does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. Till now we have done. This is hardly coming to, it's almost 50% done. As I've said, it will come to around 15,000 metric tons so far. Another half is there. Another 10, 15,000. Calculate 20,000. Calculate 30,000. It will still be around 30, 40,000. But as I have said, even the look of this whole collection of coal scattered all along looks fresh. But this particular report is of your June. 2nd June 2020. 2nd June. Does it look like the stock of 2nd June? How much of rain has come and gone? It's a state where we receive the highest rainfall. So friends, these are things, we will take it up accordingly. We want to put an end to illegalities. We want to ensure that Coal India fulfill its responsibility as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court and proceed with the auctioning process at the earliest. Delay means it can be interpreted as predetermined to somehow be part of the complicity of these whole illegalities. So everybody will be held responsible. Thank you.